We're making cocktails over here. But just remember, if you can make it here, you can make it anywhere.
Get your hot dogs here.
We're gonna start with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Next, we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of Carpano Antica sweet vermouth. It's good. Then we're gonna get a 1/2 ounce of Fernet Branca. Gonna top that off with 2 ounces of Old Forester rye. It's delish. Then we're gonna add a moderate amount of ice. Burr. Then we're gonna stir in the mixing glass for 5 to 10. I love it. Gorgeous. Now let's pour it in a coupe glass. That's pretty. Then we're gonna garnish with a beautiful lemon peel. When you're done, that's the Fanciulli Manhattan. It's beautiful.
Baby, you're a mystery. Do you wanna grab a drink with me?